Hello, Mrs. Swami, and today we're doing a video on the stone tools for our project. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so stone tools and other artifacts give evidence of how the early humans made things, how humans lived and interacted with their surroundings, and evolved over time.
And I'm Christian, and some more information just about that first part. Some stone tools are used for killing animals, predators, or even to collect or break materials for human sacrifications. They can also be used for building houses or digging underground burrows, and there is also a special tool that can be used to spin in the air to call other people or tribes.
And later we'll be showing you an example of how we use the weapons. We've actually made the weapons except for a stone axe, which we had to get unfortunately, but yeah, okay. The earliest stone tool making developed by at least 2.6 million years ago, and the early stone age began with the most basic stone implements by the early humans. The old Wayne toolkits use hammer stones, stone cores, and sharp stone flakes. By about 1.76 million years ago, early humans began to make Acheulean hand axes and other large cutting tools. We're gonna explore all of those later. And okay, so
two main methods were used to make stone tools is percussion, flaking, and grinding. So with, like, let's say in the olden days, other rocks, they would hit it on each other and grind it to make it sharper, and parts would eventually like fall off if it's very old things. Now we're going to show the photos and the tools that we have made.
So we're gonna be having a look at these tools here, the Stone Age spear tools. Okay, so how they used to make these was they'd get very sharp rocks and then sharpen them or break away the edges so that way it could become like this or this. Okay? To you, Christian.
Okay, and this used to be a hunting spear. As you can see, that's the rope, and these are for the fish to catch on. This used to be a pickaxe, like all different types of pickaxe, but this one used to be more of a hammer, and this one used to be more of an axe. Like, we couldn't really make this axe, but we got one that looked like it. This is like that axe. They used to wrap things around it, so when they used it, it won't damage, because it was really hard for them to make in those days. Back to Tony.
Okay, so what I just showed you before, we've actually made it here. Take a closer look. Okay, now to a different tool. This is called the spear. Now, we're going to be showing this. We've actually made this as well. So what this was used for is they used to spin it in the air, and so that way they could call other tribes or people or to alert anyone. Okay, we've actually made that, and we're going to show you how they used to use it. Okay. So they'd have this, and they'd put it around them, spin it, and go like that really, really fast. And if you can hear a noise, you can actually hear it, but fortunately it's not sharp enough. So really it should have been like that, swift on both sides. That way if we spinned it around, it'd make a way louder noise cutting the air. Okay, thank you, Miss, and we hope you've enjoyed our project video. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you, and bye-bye.